Effective divorce support methods for grief and healing, counseling, groups, and resources. Discover helpful divorce support methods including counseling, support groups, and resources to heal from grief and find new beginnings after divorce. Finding your way through divorce, support, and healing tips. Hey, I wanted to chat about something that's pretty common, but still feels incredibly personal and tough. Going through a divorce and dealing with all the grief that comes with it. You know, when a marriage ends, it's more than just splitting assets or deciding custody. There's this whole emotional upheaval that people don't always talk about openly. If you or someone you know is walking this path, knowing how to find support can literally be a lifesaver. So, how do people actually find ways to heal from something so heavy? One key approach is divorce counseling. Now, I don't want counseling to sound scary or clinical. When we talk about counseling here, it's really about having a safe space to vent, process feelings, and get some perspective on what's happened. A good counselor doesn't just focus on the legal side, but helps with emotional recovery, addressing feelings like loss, anger, or confusion. But counseling isn't the only form of help out there. There are plenty of divorce support groups that act like community lifelines. These groups connect you with others who've been through similar experiences, which can be comforting because you're not alone in this. Hearing other people's stories, sharing your own, and just feeling understood can help cut through that isolation so many feel during divorce. And sometimes just knowing someone else gets it makes a huge difference. Another thing that lots of people benefit from is practical divorce assistance. Beyond emotional support, there's the nuts and bolts side, like understanding finances post-divorce, child custody logistics, or navigating co-parenting. Some organizations and resources provide workshops or one-on-one support to make these parts less overwhelming. Of course, advice is out there too. Divorce advice ranges from how to handle difficult conversations with your ex to rebuilding your own life after the split. It's worth noting that not all advice is created equal, so try to get recommendations from trusted sources or professionals who truly understand the emotional complexity of divorce. Personally, I think one of the most inspiring things people can find is stories of new beginnings after heartbreak. There's a book called Brokenness and New Beginnings. This book beautifully captures the journey from feeling shattered to rebuilding your life piece by piece. It offers hope and practical encouragement for those healing from divorce and other deep losses. If you or a friend feels stuck or hopeless, I genuinely suggest checking it out. Order your copy today to find hope and healing. It's the kind of read that reminds you healing isn't a straight line. It's messy and sometimes slow, but it's absolutely possible. So basically, if someone's going through a divorce, my advice would be, look into professional divorce counseling to get emotional support tailored to your situation. Join divorce support groups to connect with others who understand what you're feeling. Seek out divorce assistance for practical help like financial planning or parenting solutions. Be mindful of the different divorce advice you come across. Choose what resonates and helps you. Most importantly, give yourself permission to grieve, heal, and find new beginnings in your own time. Divorce is undoubtedly painful, but it can also open doors to personal growth, resilience, and unexpected joy. Remember, healing isn't about forgetting or rushing the process. It's about learning to live fully again, even after heartbreak. And that's not just possible, it's waiting for you. Before I let you go, one more reminder. If you want something uplifting and real to help along your journey, Brokenness and New Beginnings is a powerful resource to keep close. Order your copy today to find hope and healing through real stories and encouragement that speak right to the heart.